Alright, what's going on, guys? 3G Racing here. I got a banger video coming for you guys today. Got my new harness bar installation coming, so we're going to open up this box quick, install it in the car today, hopefully. And yeah, let's get right into the action. Alright guys, we're going to unbox it quick. Here's the box. Pretty long, but yeah, let's crack this baby open. Yeah, there she is. That's a lot of box. Yeah, look at that, sick. Oh, it even came with stickers too, guys. Check this out, it's my favorite part right here. Got boosted fab. These are all custom made, I don't think you can get them anymore. But yeah, Boosted Fab had a group buy on the Facebook groups. Make sure you join them if you want any of these custom parts done and on any of the group buys. But yeah, so here's the harness bar. I'm gonna put that in today. Gonna put stickers on here too, because you know we love stickers. And yeah, let's get right into the action. Alright guys, so I got everything completely unwrapped here, and I absolutely love the way this turned out. Not a blemish in the paint anywhere. Very well made here. So these are the brackets that go into the seatbelt covers, and then these are the little support bars that bolt into the bottom of the seatbelt up into somewhere in the top here, I think. I don't actually know yet. I'll figure out when I'm in there, but yeah, I'm excited to get this installed, and let's get right into the action then. Alright, so the first tip I'd do is pop off these little seatbelt covers on top here, just clip right out both sides, and then we're gonna have to undo this bolt right here. So gonna do that quick, and then I'll get right back to you guys. Alright, y'all, so I got these top bolts out here on both sides. Now we just need to get this one out done here. Excuse my car, it's dirty, so I need to clean it soon. But yeah, we just got to get that bottom one out on both sides, and then we should be good to go to start putting everything in. Alright guys, and then we're gonna put these on here next. They just plug into the top part of the seatbelt, is bolted on there. Keep it loose for now so I can angle it how I need to. But yeah, we're gonna do that next. Alright y'all, so I got the main bar in here, also kind of stuck. I'm gonna have to sneak out the trunk, but yeah, so all you gotta do is have this at the very top setting up there. Everything's just in kind of loose right now, and I still gotta put these support bars in. But yeah, it's looking great so far, really happy with it, and let's finish the install. Alright y'all, so we're just about done. I got this part bolted in down there. The seatbelts are still going to be functional, just got to tighten everything up still. Do that side down there, and then we'll be good to go. But yeah, it's looking beautiful. Let's get a quick view from the back. Yeah, now I just got to get my harnesses in, and we'll be good to go. Alright guys, and now for the sticker. And there we go, guys, there's a sticker. Boosted Fabrication. Thank you guys for making this product. Great group buy for the Eclipse community here. I have to get my harnesses still. Those will be coming in the next video, and then I'll be going to the track next Friday as well, so hopefully they're in before that. But thank you guys for tuning into the video. Definitely gonna have more content coming soon, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. I'll give it a good shake for you guys quick too. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. Alright guys, and here's what you see from outside of the car here.